Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to take a screenshot on macOS 27. Generally speaking, the methods of taking a screenshot on MacBooks in macOS 27 haven't changed, although we also have one feature added to the screenshot, which I'm going to show you in this video right after I quickly explain the basics of screenshot on MacBooks. So, in order to take a full screen screenshot of your MacBook, you have to press Command, Shift, and 3. This will take a full screen screenshot. You will see the preview in the bottom right corner of the screen, and by default, the screenshot will be saved on your desktop. Now, if you press Command, Shift, and 4, it will change your mouse pointer to a crosshair, which you can use to take a screenshot of selected area on your screen. Then pressing Command, Shift, and 5 will open the entire toolbar with screenshot tools where you can select the window screenshot, area screenshot, or entire screen screenshot, and then capture the screenshot once you're ready. But in macOS 27, we also have one additional feature, which is called Visual Intelligence. To use it, you have to make sure that Apple Intelligence is enabled on your device. You can find it in Settings, and to use this feature, you have to press either Command, Shift, and 6, and then select an area of your screen, once again using the crosshair, and then you'll be able to see two options. You can either ask Siri about your selection, or you can perform an image search and directly search for information about your current selection that you have on the screen. So if we tap image search, then continue, we'll see the similar results in Google. And if we ask Siri, let's just make this selection once again. If we ask Siri, we can ask it anything. So we can, for example, say, what are those things called, right? And hopefully it will tell widgets, although, yeah, widgets. But sometimes it still gives some weird results or incorrectly identifies thing on the screen, but most of the time it will give you accurate answers. Now, the other way to take a screenshot this way, which we can immediately start working on, is by pressing Shift, Command, and Spacebar. And this will select your entire screen and will let you ask Siri for whatever you have right here. So, for example, let's ask it once again. What are those tiles in the top left corner called? And let's see if it gives us the same answer and whether it can actually look in the top left corner. Called widgets. Yeah, so it did a good job here and also explain us something about widgets, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you make screenshots and using the new Visual Intelligence features of macOS 27. So I hope that you liked this video, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.